Good morning. Today we're gonna work with our workbook and also with your favorite, the Math Adventures. So let's get our materials and go to work. Today is Tuesday, April 28th, 2020. And on the workbook, you have to go to the page 73 and read the four sentences. Next, you have to go to the page 153 to get the cutouts. Once you have the cutouts, you have to pick the right one to place it on the correct place. For example, number 1, there is a green clock. You have to look in your cutouts for a green clock and you have to paste it here. And you have to do the same with the next 3. Then we go to the page 74. You have to pay attention to the pictures below. Now you have to look at the pictures and write the sentence. For example, number 1, what do we see? There is a pink bed. So you go to the number 1 and write the sentence. And to finish the work on the workbook, you go to the page 75 and we have the word sleep. What is this kid doing? He's sleeping. So you have to write the word sleep. You only have to repeat the word. Remember, you have to write the word sleep as many times as many dots you have on the page. It's time to work on the Math Adventures. So let's go to page 57 and look at the page. You have to make a review of the making the numbers 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay? So you have to fill the circles with the correct number. For example, here we want to make a 10 and we have a 5. We need to think of the number that we can write here to make a 10. If we have a 5 and we want to make a 10, we can write a 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We make a 10. So we can write a number 5 here. And you have to do the same with the rest of the blank circles. When we finish with the numbers, we go to the page 58. And we're gonna do a review of the shapes. You have to pay attention of the shapes we have here so you can find the pattern and you can draw what is the shape that goes next. Okay. If we have a purple triangle, orange square, blue circle, a triangle, then what color should be? Purple. So we color the triangle purple. And next we have a square. What color goes? It's orange. Now we have to color the square orange. And now we have a rectangle. It looks like it goes green. So you have to color it green. We have a green rectangle, a yellow oval, another yellow oval, and another green rectangle. What comes next? You have to pay attention and draw what comes next. And you have to do the same with this row. Rhombus, pentagon, hexagon, rhombus, and What else? Here you have to finish with the next shape, and you have to draw 2 shapes, and here also you have to draw 2 more shapes. When you finish with the page 58, you go to the Math Adventure spot, the resource pack, and find your shapes. Now it's your turn to make patterns of your own, okay? So you have the freedom to make your own patterns. So you can put a yellow circle next to a pink square and a blue rectangle, and repeat with another circle and another rectangle, or whatever you like, but you have to make some patterns of your own, okay? And that's all for today. See you guys tomorrow.